Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to deploy Base44 app on Vercel. First off, you need to have the Vercel app on your phone. Sorry, on your device, your laptop in this sense, or your desktop, whatever you are using. You need to have an account on Vercel. Okay. Now, the first thing I'd like you to know is that there is no official built-in deploy to Vercel feature in Base44, especially in the integrations catalog. However, based on what is possible, exporting code, then deploying externally, I'm just going to walk you through a manual flow for deploying a Base44 app on Vercel. So just watch me. Now, the first thing I would like you to do, okay, here are a couple of things that you need to know. Base44 allows export of full code that's front end plus back end only on paid plans, and some public so all your paid plans, right? So if you're actually using the public plan, or the free plan, you might not be able to export the full code, right? And then you need Vercel, like I said, the account to host the exported app, and you can also push your code to GitHub and connect to Vercel for continuous deployment. And the exported code will probably use next.js node or something similar, so you should know how to run it locally, those codes. And the exported app will have dependencies like API keys, DB connection, strings, just those kind of things that you need to configure in Vercel's envs. Okay, so let's hop into it. So launch your Base44 account using your account credentials. All right, then open your app by clicking on the app tab at the top left corner of your screen. Then if you have a lot of apps, just go ahead and use the search bar to search for the app. I just have one, so it's going to take me to the app editor, which we have in here. Now if you check the top right corner, you're going to see this greater than sign. Now go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see all files. Now select see all files. All right, and just be sure, check the pages, the components, the entities, and the layout.js to be sure that you have everything that you want. Then go back again to the file window, and you're going to see two options for export. That's export project to GitHub and export project as zip. Now, before you even export any of this, you have to upgrade. I'm sorry about that. Now, once you're done upgrading, I'm going to show you what to do. So choose export as zip or export to GitHub, whichever that you want. Then after downloading the zip, if you choose zip, unzip it into a folder in terminal, run something that looks like cd your -app -folder, and then for npm install npm run dev. You know how that works. Now make sure the app runs locally. Then if you want to create a GitHub repository, if not exported via GitHub, just go to your GitHub account and then click on new repo, click on name it, and click on git init in your local folder, click on add remote, click on push all files. Then log into Vercel, all right, and click on new project, and click on import your GitHub repository, click on configure project settings, and the last thing is to click on deploy. Now you need to set environment variables in Vercel. In your Vercel project settings, go to environment variables, all right, and add the same names or values from Base44. If not auto detected, set the correct framework presets and build command and output directory. Then click deploy if not auto, and wait for build logs. Once succeeded, click the generated URL to open your live app. Okay, so use Vercel's logs, functions, or deployment panels to monitor errors, usage, serverless functions, or serverless functions. Now, when you make changes locally in your Base44 copy, commit and just push to GitHub, Vercel will auto redeploy it. So that's pretty much how the process works. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom too and get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.